Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Welcome to Achievers News. Maharashtra farmer buys helicopter worth Rs 30 crore to sell milk. A farmer and entrepreneur based in Maharashtra's Bhiwandi has purchased a helicopter to make travel across the country easier for his new dairy business. Jonathan Boyer bought the helicopter for Rs 30 crores at a friend's suggestion, as he often traveled to places without airports, making travel longer for him. Boyer says he often has to travel to Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and Gujarat due to his dairy business, and hence decided to make a hefty purchase.